Let me read to you something. This is about Pablo Picasso. If you know him, he is a famous painter and artist. When Picasso was an old man, he was sitting in a cafe in Spain. Sabi dito sa book, doodling on a used napkin. So, nag-i-sketch siya sa napkin in one of the cafe in Spain. Nakita siya ngayon ng isang girl sa katabing table and na-amaze yung girl doon sa kanyang ini-sketch doon sa table napkin. And when Picasso was about to leave, krinample niya yung table napkin and he was about to throw it away. Sabi ng girl, "Wait! Can I have the napkin you were just drawing on? I'll pay for it." "Sure," Picasso replied. $20,000. So nagulat yung girl. $20,000 ngayon is malaki na sa atin. How much noong time pa nila? So sabi ng girl, "What? It took you like 2 minutes to draw that." Sabi ni Picasso, "No ma'am. It took me over 60 years to draw this."